the world America built, bitch. Put a black man in the jail for some weed. Give him 100 years for a motherfucking seed. Man, it's fucked up how this fucking shit be. For the white nigga kill 1,000 black man, it's cool, G. Man, they hate this shit, man. This shit is in my heart, so I fall back for real, man, dog. Yeah, from the start. Man, it's a win-win-lose. Man, fuck it, dog, and this world ain't cool. Man, it's fucked up. I shed a tear for my peeps. I know some niggas 15 never seen 60 beat. Man, fuck it, dog. Man, I really remain a G. And my fucking day come, fuck it. Oh well, it'll be. It's me. And baby don't do it, and baby cry. I see my fucking big cousin in my face die. Brains over my head, I seen some fucked up shit. I lost my whole family in one night, that's some fucked up shit. I was on a young bitch, nigga ain't even see me grow. I cry at night to be like, damn nigga, I'm 6'4", and nigga ain't gonna see that. But I die again, I be like, fucking in the hell, we gonna drink some fucking gin. Throwback shit, man. Fucking, I ain't missing. Fucking that kitchen. Man, I'm always whistling. Man, I lost some motherfucking kids, everything I know in my motherfucking life. All I do is lose shit, yo, I'm used to it. That's my motherfucking life, B. But I still hold it down, pray to Christ, G. Like fucking Lord, man, watch over me. I'm a youngster in this world, but I'm really wildin', B. Living a life like a grown man in the plug, what the fuck? Police on me and the FBI, bro? Man, try to take me down for what? A couple of grams of weed? It's a fucking promethazine? Man, it's fucked up, man. This shit is the fucking dream. Give me fucking 30,000 bottom jeans. Man, a $30,000 bottom shit isn't what it seems. Man, it's fucked up out here for a black man. Fuck it. I couldn't even do it while I stopped. Man, it's fucked up. Man, stop shooting cops. Stop shooting people. And these motherfuckers murder and get away with it like their name Bobby Serta. Man, it's all cool, but the shit get ruled and black people get to knocking off everything and they do. We get to slinging these tools and motherfucking feeling peace. This ain't the slave days, nigga, we back for beef. Fuck this shit. Now, baby, don't do it. Man, fuck that, yeah, I'm under influence. The president never did shit for me, but you take a nigga for jail for trying to make $1 beat. Fuck the president, fuck the White House too. And if I get paints close, I'ma paint that bitch blue. Not black, fuck that. It's the boy shot, man, and I ain't been none of that. Fuck it. Baby, don't do it, I still love you. I'ma fuck you on top of the cover with no rubber. Hope we have a baby tonight, you motherfucker, and if we don't, we'll try it again. I'll try it with your mother. I'm sorry, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little brother.
Real time.